Hello everyone, here is our project plant disease detection using conventional neural networks. Here are team members me Karthik Surab, Priyanka, Shivasai, Tejeshwar, Neelima, Tulsi. Here are the roles and responsibilities. I and Tejeshwar is going to take care of coding and development part, and Priyanka is going to take care of model architect, and Shivasai is going to take care of data accuracy and pre-processing system. Tulsi is going to take care of model training and the validation. Nilma is going to take care of documentation and the presentation. So let's get into the project. This project is mainly useful for farmers. If a in the farming field, if a plant is affected with a disease or a virus, the farmer is gonna estimate the disease and he's gonna estimate the fertilizer and it's gonna spray. But in some cases, it may go wrong. The whole crop may get damaged and the farmer will get lost. Not only with the farmers, like in our garden, if any plant is affected with a disease or a virus, we just randomly estimate the all the leaves look similar, so we randomly estimate the disease and we spray the fertilizer, but the plant may die or it never grow or it won't produce the fruits or vegetables. So in that cases, the plant may die or the in the farming field the farmer may get lost. So to overcome this issue, the project will help to find the disease. When you scan the leaves, he will get the what disease it is affected with, what disease, and what fertilizer need to be given, at what time the water resources need to be given, in what soil the plant may grow healthy. So all this information will be given with the help of this project. From here, my friend Priyanka will contact you.
Here we go. So, how to prevent this from happening? To prevent this situation, we need better and perfect guidance on which fertilizers to use to make a correct identification of diseases and able to distinguish between two or more similar types of diseases. This is where convolutional neural networks comes handle, in short CNN. Next, please. Convolutional neural network. In deep learning, a CNN is a class of deep neural networks most commonly applied to analysis visual imagery. They are also known as a shift invariant or a space invariant artificial neural networks based on the shared weights architecture and the translation invariance characteristics. These are the characteristics of a neural network.
Yeah, proposal methodology. We use like two types of methods to detect the plant is healthy or not. Here, from the perspective, the input text image to the pre-processing, and it converts an array of comparison to CNN-based classification. It shows the defeat of plant to display the plant is healthy or not. And the second method, the segregated database, it show from that pre-processing to training model using CNA, and it converted like a CNN-based classification. It shows the defeat of the plant to display the healthy or not. And in this project, we used 7 tools. Here we have the tools Colab, Keras, and Matplotlib, NumPy, OpenCV, Python, and TensorFlow GPU. From here, my friend going to be taking. Unmute.
Sorry. In this slide says like who's going to involve in this project. The first one is the farmer. So he wants to monitor her and his crops regularly for signs of disease to prevent crop loss and ensure a healthy harvest. And she needs to a user-friendly interface that allows her to easily upload images of her plants and receive quick and accurate diagnosis. So this farmer will goes to the agricultural extension officer to cure for that plant disease. So this agricultural extension officer needs to tool that can assist him in identifying plant diseases accurately during his visits to farms. And he also requires access to educational resources and recommendations for diseases management practices. The another person, side please. No, yeah, the other person is the researcher. So that agriculture officer goes to the researcher after that. So he needs to require a platform that can analyze large data sets of plant images to identify trends in these diseases prevalence and monitor the spread of new pathogens, and access to advanced analytic tools and the ability to collaborate with other researchers also. It's an important thing. The last one, the agri-tech enterpriser. So he needs to a plant disease detection system that can be integrated to into the mobiles applications or IoT devices for widespread adoption by farmers. This will useful to the farmers. So from the next slide, my friend teammate Tulsi will take care of.
Yeah, hello. Here, coming to team working agreement, the main there are project overview, team members, roles and responsibilities, project goals, communication guidelines, decision making process, work schedule, code of conduct, version control, and last documentation. Here, coming to project overview, our main aim of our project is to address the lack of plant disease expertise by providing immediate diagnosis through image recognition. And here we have used different learning techniques to detect plant diseases. And coming to team members, roles and responsibilities, this was already explained by our teammate in the previous slides. Next, project goals, we have created an image recognition system that identifies plant diseases and also will provide a accurate and timely diagnosis to farmers and extension officers. And next, coming to communication guidelines, uh, we have conducted regular meetings to discuss about our project progress, challenges, and next steps that we are going to do. And we have used a Slack channel for the communication and quick updates, and email for sharing the documents. And next, decision making process. Uh, we have taken the voting and all. And next, coming to work schedule, we have followed a 2 week sprint cycle. Um, and coming to version control, we have used GitHub for version control and collaboration, and also branching strategy. And for documentation, we have used this as I have mentioned here. Next slide, please. Next, retrospective, what went well. The team had good time working together, and we as a team have planned to keep our objectives simple to finish and produce what was expected. The main key was participation and motivation to complete the task in time, and every member knew what they had to do. And we have several discussion sessions, as I have already mentioned previously. And overall, every meeting session is effectively used to gain progress and complete sprint on time. Next slides will be continued by my teammate. Thank you.
Now we are going to discuss about what could be improved. We frequently try to communicate to discuss about the project and the advancement after the every sprint completion. And setting up the time limit for the task and learning from previous semester students' sprint performance to make more improvements and where can we be better and what we plan to commit for the next sprint. To maintain consistency in performance and the improvement is the main key. Previous students sprint retro can be helpful for improving team balance in which area team is lacking, where we can work according to that. Previous retro stats can be helpful in filling the gaps of next sprint. And coming to the next slide. And this is a link for the wiki page. Next, thank you.